Today, I'd like to introduce an inline filter for removing water and small particles by Steel Camel, and would like to thank Dan for letting me try it out. These filters will remove solids to 10 microns in size and remove a lot more water than traditional silica gel or paper type filters. The filter head is simple in design with an inlet and an outlet which accepts all sizes of line. These brass adapters are readily available at a hardware store or an auto parts store to accept your fittings. The head simply threads onto the filter and you're ready to go. As I've stated in previous videos, the only time I use a line filter or a dryer is during painting. And this is how I had it hooked up for the last few jobs, and it keeps the air nice and dry. The filter is designed to be used in conjunction with a water trap or separator, but since I'm only using it for paint work, it does the job real well just by itself. This is a small sample of the material inside the filter, and we're going to squirt it with 4 ounces of water and see if it can absorb all of it. And that's it. Just that little piece took 4 ounces of water. Hidden inside the layers is this absorbent material found in this package, and it really does absorb a lot of water. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the cure for water and air tools and paint guns by Steel Camel. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.